I recently had really good Biang Biang Mian, and that inspired me to make this simplified version that you can do in 30 minutes. We're gonna make the base sauce of the noodles. As I said, this dish was inspired by Biang Biang Mian, but I'm too lazy to make the noodles, so I'm going to use knife cut noodles today instead. Honestly, my favorite part of it is the tomato egg together with tom yum. So, just the right amount of spiciness and acidity from the vinegar. You wanna come and try? I know you like tomato. Choke, right? Wow. Hey, hey.
Ending. No ending.
If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And tell you what I want, and tell me what you want me to shortcut next.